All right, and thank you very much, June and Irene. Congratulations sa inyong 25 pag-ibig and cheers. All right?
Lahat, alam na lang lahat ng tao na ako ang mother. Mother superior ho. Pero hindi ho nagkakalayo ang edad namin. Do you believe? Sana sabihin nyo, yes. Okay. So, yun. Sabi nga ni Irene, yes. Oo. Siguro mga 2 years lang, ano? Nasaan ba yung mga inakay ko dito? Nasaan yung table number 8? Saan yung inakay ko? Bing, Con, everyone. There. Mga prodigal daughters and sons. Okay? Magkakasama kami. So, naturally, pagka hindi work ang topic, personal. Pero pagka work ang topic, ano nakikita nyo sa akin? Iba daw ang personality ko when I'm talking about work. Kasi sabi ko, pagka nagsasabi ako, nagdidemand ako ng performance. Pero pagka kami ang magkakasama at personal na yung pinag-uusapan namin, ako ang nagsiserve sa kanila. Ako ang inuutusan nila. So, to June and Irene, tama ang sinabi ni Mon, kayo ang halimbawa na mag-asawang may forever. Kami din ang asawa ko. Ewan ko lang kung he shared the same thought as I am, no? Pero alam nyo, habang tumatagal, when you get married, di ba, nandiyan yung looks. So parang kinikilig ka pag nakakakita ka ng gwapong asawa. Ako daw, natumawa si Mitch. Sabi ko, kinikilig ako pag nakikita ko ang matalino kong asawa. So, natatawa yung asawa ko, gwapo siya, sabi niya sa mga anak ko. At gwapo din siya, sabi ko. So, I'm sure si Irene at si June, habang tumatagal ang pagsasama nila, habang times goes by, they see each other differently. And I think what they see in their day-to-day life is not the same person that they see when they get married for the first time. Every day, when they see each other, it's not the same person that they married for the first time. They're seeing in each other a partner, a person that you grow old with. A person na alam mo na merong pagkukulang, pero still you love him or you love her. And I think that's the secret. That's a secret. You don't look at them as a physical person. You look at them as a partner, as a spiritual na nakasama, na kapag wala na yung mga anak mo and then they already have their families, you can look at them and look at your partner and say, dati, dalawa lang tayo. Now, we're still together at dalawa pa rin tayo forever. So, congratulations and best wishes.
Irene and I, we used to be together since, kailan yun ba? 1987. We were both branch managers then of City Trust. We started in City Trust and then we're now with BPI. And I got to know June through Irene. That was about more than 5 years ago, right? These two, yung secret ng dalawa na to is the humor. They always find so much fun. Kahit ano pang pag-usapan namin, wala kaming ginawa kundi magtawanan at mamintas. So, everything, yung buhay namin noon, even if we're full of pressures, sobrang stress sa office, pero we still find time to really laugh together. And, yun, gosh, 25 years. 25 years, that's still not long. Because my husband and I have been together for more than 30 years. So, ano pa yan? Marami ka pang taon. Marami pa ka pang kakainin bigas. Yes. Kanin na pala, hindi na bigas. So, I just wish you more years of togetherness, more love for each other, and happiness always, and have fun. Love you both.
Even after this one, pwede pa ho. So we encourage everyone, please, let's share our blessings. Ayan. Diba? Napaka-generous ho ng lahat ng mga guests and friends natin dito tonight. Salamat. Ayan. Good evening, everyone. Good evening. I hope everybody is enjoying the sumptuous dinner tonight. Actually, we're so happy to see everybody. Talagang, yung presence nyo lang is very important for both of us. Hindi nyo na kailangan magregalo. Yung presence nyo lang. Plus, of course, I would like to thank everybody, plus yung family ko, relatives and friends, yung mga anak ko, tapos yung mga kamag-anak. And actually, meron akong prepare pero nakalimutan ko lahat. So, syempre yung one and only, yung nag-isip lahat nito. Although, syempre ang hirap, di ba? Nung every time nagnininong kami, sabi ko, ang hirap naman ang kinakasal naman. Ang hirap naman kinakasal ngayon, ang dami-dami. May mga coordinators pa, merong fireworks, kami doon, 50,000 lang, okay na So, iba rin yung memories na nangyari tonight. And it would not be possible kung wala po kayo lahat dito. So, sana magkita-kita po tayo ulit after 25 years. So, golden na yon. Sana hindi pa kami naka-wheelchair ni June. Kaya gusto namin i-celebrate na tonight. Plus, again, gusto niya ulit lahat ng regalo sa Bantay Bata. Oh, wala akong choice. But, I'm so happy na sobrang siyang inspired kaya hindi siya nahirapan gumawa ng song for me. And, di ba? Sobrang mahal ako eh. So, thank you. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for being my avid fan. At saka, secret admirer dati. Di ba? So, I love you. And, promise, ako lang. Wala nang, ikaw lang pala. Baliktad. Promise, ikaw lang. Wala nang iba. Wala nang akong choice. Joke. Okay, so, I'd like you to sit back and relax kasi meron pa tayong mga surprises for all of you and I hope you're enjoying the night. Oh, ikaw na.
Sinabi mo na lahat eh. Yung sasabihin ko para kay Erin, sinabi ko rin sa kanta. Dalawang kanta yun, di ba? Isang 25 pag-ibig, sa isang walang wakas, sadyang wagas. So, thank you very much lahat nagpunta. Sa kapatid ko ng pamilya niya.
So, ang haba po ng hair ko.
Sa 25 pag-ibig yung susunod dito, ginito ang pag-ibig na. Thank you very much. Kung tayo ay matanda na, sana'y di tayo magbago. Kailanman nasaan man ito ang pangarap ko. Makuha mo pa kaya ako'y hagkan at yakapin. Hanggang sa pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako ba kaya ibigin mo? Kahit maputing ako,
Pagdating ng araw, ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Sabay tayong
Imagine me and you, I do. I think about you day and night. It's only right to think about the girl you love and hold her tight. So happy together. If I should call you up, invest a dime, and you say you belong to me, and it's my mind. Imagine how the world could be so very fine, so happy together. I can't see me loving nobody but you for all my life. When you're with me, baby, the skies will be blue for all my life. Me and you and me, no matter how they toss the dice, it has to be the only one for me is you, and you for me, so happy together. They toss the dice, it has to be the only one for me is you, and you for me, so happy together. To be the only one for me is you, and you for me, so happy together.